In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Maps car icon. Open the Google Maps app on your phone to get started. This feature works while you're using turn-by-turn navigation. So the first thing we need to do is set up a route. In the search bar, type the place you're headed to and select it from the results. You'll see route options appear on the map. This quick setup ensures your position marker is active on the road and ready for customization. Before you begin navigation, check your travel mode. Along the top of the screen, you can choose between options like driving or transit. The car icons are only available when you're navigating in driving mode, so make sure driving is selected. If you've been exploring transit or other modes, just switch back to driving to unlock the vehicle icons you can use. Now confirm your destination and tap Start to begin navigation. You'll hear directions and see the familiar blue arrow showing your current location and heading. If you're doing this while parked or before you start moving, that's perfect. Changing the icon is quick, and it's best to do it when you're not in motion. With navigation running, tap the blue arrow on the map. That arrow represents your current location. When you tap it, a small menu slides up from the bottom of the screen. This is where the fun begins. You'll see several vehicle options you can switch to. Depending on your app version and region, the exact choices may vary, but you'll typically find a few colorful, easy-to-spot options so your marker stands out on the road. Common choices include a bright red sedan, a bold yellow SUV, and a vibrant green pickup truck. These are simple, 3D-styled icons designed to make your position easier to follow while you drive. Pick the one that matches your style, or just choose the color that's easiest to see at a glance. Tap the vehicle you want, and the change happens instantly. Your blue arrow transforms into the 3D car model you selected, and it will smoothly rotate and move as you follow the route. This doesn't affect your directions, route, or estimated arrival time. It's purely a visual change to personalize your map. If you ever want to try a different look, you can repeat the same tap on your location marker and select another vehicle at any time. That's all there is to it. Launch Google Maps, choose driving, start navigation, tap the blue arrow, and select your preferred car. Enjoy the drive with a map that feels a little more like you.